Alright, let's do this break of 1987 Donruss baseball. So, lots of cool cards to pull. This set's so tough. Centering and just chipping on the black borders. These these cards in, you know, PSA 10 or SGC 10s are undervalued in my opinion, just from breaking tons of these boxes. It's really tough to find one that would qualify in that condition. Um, Although I have pulled some nines on the key rookies and some tens on the Hall of Famers. It's still a challenge and fun though. So off we go. We're just gonna flip through these cards pretty quick. So this would be considered junk wax. There's box. Just base. There's the babysitter, Bob Kearney. Ozzie Smith, Diamond Kings. Julio Franco. Devon White. There's Jose. So it just kind of depends from box to box. There's been boxes where I've pulled 2 or 3 Maddixes, and then boxes where you get none. So it's just like anything else, and that happens too. That's like a 6. There's Molitor. Bly 11. Diamond Kings Brett. That's cool. Draybeck, I think that's second year of rookie. Straw. Kevin Mitchell rookie. Not as cool as the Tops one. And then Necro, he looks like he's like 65 in that picture. Top of the pack bow. So top of the pack or bottom of the pack. Bottom of the pack you get the wax. Top you usually have little dings, but this one's just off center. But love that image in the uniform. Wally Joyner, Diamond Kings. There's a Kruk. That's a second year Krucky. Straw. This is a fun product for, I don't know, 25 bucks. It's so much cheaper to get 87 versus 86. I think they just printed less of it. I mean, less of 86, Devon White. Because the rookie class is better in 87. Barry Larkin's in here too. There's Eddie. Eric Davis. Dave Winfield. Look at that face. That's a trustworthy face. Just base. That's a cool Eric Davis, third year Davis. Eckersley. Just base. There's Palmero. I've never sent one of these in, but not that I wouldn't. I don't think he's all that collectible, even though his career was amazing. I mean, albeit with the steroid use, but a lot of the players were using. So, and then he lied to Congress, which is a little shady. There's Puckett. There's a Bonds. I didn't even mention Bonds, but the top to bottom on this is something that I missed in the past, and that's why I get 8s and 9s, because I fail to look at the top to bottom centering, which is as important as any other aspect of the card. Surhoff rookie, he was a decent player in his time. Actually played against his son in high school, Scott Van Slyke. Kevin Brown. There it is. The yellow tooth Bob James variation. There's a clean Larkin. It's just off-centered. But it seems like all these cards are off-centered. That's a rookie of Pete Incaville, yeah. And then, yeah, that happens sometimes. Little shavings pop out. Dawson. Brett. I like Donruss from '87 better than Topps. Seems like it's a better checklist. Topps doesn't have Maddox. He's in Topps traded. Pete Rose. Donnie Baseball. I've actually gotten a 10 on that Donnie Baseball before. Steinbach rookie. I think I've broke as much or more of the '87 Donruss compared to the '89 Seaver. Schmidt. One of the greatest to ever lace them up. Harold Baines. There's a Puckett with a dinged corner. See that? We're really flying here. Goal is 12 minutes, so we'll see if we can do that. Nolan Ryan. There's a Steve Garber we passed. That's Chuck Finley's rookie, though. A lot of these, the rookies in this were kind of in their prime when I started watching baseball around 92, 93, so it's a very cool set to me. There's a Carlton. Goose. That's not a Tettleton rookie. That's a rookie, Glen Allen Hill. Wally Joyner, rookie. He's on MLB Network. Dan Plesac. That's his rookie, though. Dale Murphy. Still waiting for a McGuire or a Maddox. Mitch Williams, the Wild Thing. Eric Davis. Another Eck. Base. I think we passed the Kent. Tokuve. That's our second Raffy. That one's off center. Ricky. Also waiting on Bo. There's another Kirby. Our second Bonds. That's a top to bottom off too, but pretty good. That might be like an 8.5. Jim Rice. Sandberg. Bonilla rookie. Randy Myers, that's his rookie. That's David Cohn rookie. I mean, this checklist is great. Oriole. Eddie. Dave Winfield. Couple packs left. Don Sutton. Okay, that's it. And the Carnage stack to the left. That was quick. That was a lot of fun, though. Pulled a few cool cards.